Hello and welcome to WordPress for Beginners. Build your brand with WordPress. I'm so excited that you're here and I hope to serve you as best as I can. Now, the purpose of this course is not to just understand how WordPress works. It will also help you to build a professionally looking website, to sell your products and services online, and to launch your business. It's very exciting. Hi, my name is Frank, and first of all, I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out this course. I know there are so many WordPress courses out there and can be very daunting to choose the right one for you. Now, when I first started using WordPress a few years ago, there was very little information, very little guidance, and was very hard to find video tutorials that will teach you step by step, will guide you step by step through the process. In this video, I will answer 4 main questions you probably have to get all the doubts out of the way. First of all, who is this course for? Why should you get it? What's in the course? And how to use the classes and the material. Well, who is this course for? If you tick any of these boxes, this course is for you. So if you never used WordPress and you want to design your own website your way, it's definitely for you. If you already have a website or someone else is managing your website and you decide to take over and do it on your own, this course is also for you. If you want to design your website for yourself or for others, even for free or for profit, this course is for you. If you want to sell your products or services online, this course will teach you also that. If you want to build a brand and establish a presence online, this course will also help you do that. Now, why should you get this course? Well, first of all, it's a step-by-step video course. So I will teach you step-by-step what I'm doing. I will explain what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. And you get to work with free, professionally looking themes that you can find in WordPress. Most of the tools that I use in this course are free. Some of them are paid for, but it's just to show you what's possible. You got direct access to me, so if you have any questions, please come and ask. You just send me an email or send me a comment and I will answer that as soon as possible. You don't have to watch 20 hours of course to learn WordPress. You can just do that in half of the time and even less. This course is made for solopreneurs like you who wants to learn WordPress and wants to sell their products or services online as soon as possible. And another reason why you should get this course is you can get a beautiful, professionally looking website that represents your brand. And who doesn't want a beautiful, professionally looking website to represent their brand without having to code? Pretty much everyone, I guess. Now, what's in the course? Now, the course comprises 8 modules carefully crafted this way to help you absorb all the information and practice along the way without getting overwhelmed. Now, by the end of module 1, we're going to demystify all the misconceptions about WordPress. We're going to learn the basics of WordPress. We're going to be able to try WordPress for free without launching your website. We're going to familiarize with the admin panel and all the different sections. And I'm going to help you how to set up a business email by the end of this module. The purpose of this course is to learn and earn as well. I want to make sure you have something tangible by the end of it. By the end of module 2 and 3, you'll know how to customize a theme, how to add photos, videos, titles, taglines, how to customize colors, pages, posts, how to navigate around the interface as well. Module 4 is all about e-commerce. You'll learn how to set up your site to sell your products and services online. You'll learn how to accept any sort of payments, how to secure your website so you can accept these payments, and what legal pages you need to have in order to sell online, and much, much more. By the end of module 5, you'll learn what plugins are and how to find the right one for your site. We're going to install the essential plugins that every website should have, optimize and secure your site. You'll learn also how to set up an automated backup. You'll learn how to block comments and how to minimize hackers' attacks as well. In module 6, you get to see me customize a free theme. And by the end of this module, you'll be able to customize any theme you want. In module 7, we're going a step further. We're going to learn new ways to edit your site, how to add maps into your website, how to modify a footer, how to change copyrights on a website. And half of the way through this module, we're going to spend some time talking about email list building and how important it is that you set one for your business. Module 8 is a bonus module, but you get to look over my shoulders on how I build a premium site to sell online courses. Now bear in mind, this is a premium site which is not free, so you have to pay for, but it's still worth watching the entire module because you get to learn how actually I go about editing and customize a WordPress website. Also bear in mind, this module was part of another course that I did a few months ago, so you might see stuff that is redundant or stuff that you already learned in previous modules, so feel free to skip and to jump around to see what I'm doing. Now, there are certain sections that are quite interesting to know, such as how to upload your content into Amazon S3 and how to protect that content as well. So how to use this course? Well, make sure you go through the first 3 modules just to learn the basics of WordPress, then feel free to jump around to different classes. Also make sure you download the worksheets that I provided as well, because you find lots of resources, guidance and links there that you might need. You also find assignments and quizzes for each module. So this course is your reference to WordPress, so make it yours by interacting with me and the community. Be proactive, so practice after watching a class or a module. Make sure you understand the class, and if you don't after watching it a few times, just send me a message. I know that the course is not perfect and I need your help to make it the best possible. And most importantly, I'm here for you, so I'd love to help and improve this course, and remember there are no dumb questions. Now, I hope this video answered all of your questions, and if you're thinking to enroll, remember you have 30 days money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I'm so excited to show you all of this on the other side, so hit the enroll button and let's get started today.